We've just acquired this awesome Audi RS6, over £12,000 worth of factory extras. It's absolutely stunning condition, drives superb, upgraded 21-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, or in a Michelin Pilot tyres. It's got the panoramic sunroof, red calipers, park distance control with camera. Electric tailgate, superb condition. Beautiful interior. It's got the dynamic pack, carbon pack, electric memory seats, RS6 embossed sport seats, electric panoramic roof. Just start it up. It's fully loaded as you expect, so we've got reverse camera, park distance control as well, satellite navigation, Bluetooth, cruise control, paddle shift on the gearbox, multifunction steering wheel. It's done 61,674 miles. Full media pack, heated seats. There's a full description on the advert. DJH with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. For quite further information,